everyone, I'll be doing a video of comparison of these two mixers. My old one that I had, and this one's the new one that I recently got. And I'll be comparing them, the sizes and the type they are. This one's the more professional one and this is more of a simpler one. And the first thing you notice about these two is the size of them. So the professional one is a lot bigger and a little bit heavier too. So I did weigh them, and the bigger one weighs about 22 pounds and the smaller one is 20 pounds, only 2 pound difference. The color on these are both red, but they all have a different color of them too. This is more of like a shiny, more of a glossy red. Where this one is more of a dull red color. They both have up to 10 speed, but this one is what, 6 quarts, and this one's 5. And this one was 590 watts max, and this one's 325. So the engine of it is a lot smaller too. On this side, we do have a handle for the professional one where it's a lift one, bowl lift. You put a bowl in and they lift it up. With this one, you lock it and unlock it to raise this head up. And then you could put a bowl in here, which you tighten it up when you set it up. It's on the bottom of the bowl that hooks it up. And you put a mixer tool on there and you put it down and you lock it so it doesn't rise up again. The also nice thing I have noticed about was this one has a connection, like a connected one. And you can tighten it up with this screw or not. But this one, it comes out and it becomes like a loose piece. Usually if you have kids, you can easily lose this piece if it's not being noted and it's been taken out. And you can tighten it up, and you can add attachment pieces that you can buy separately from kitchen8.com. And when you have a bigger mixer, it's obvious you would have a bigger attachments too. This one is a lot bigger than the smaller one. This one's from this one. It comes from the smaller one. Attachments are a lot bigger too. This one I had to buy separately. It did not come with the one that I bought earlier. And the bowl, I don't have a bowl for this one because I had a glass one and it shattered. And so I can't show you which one, the bowl that I used with, but I'm sure KitchenAid would have one if you were to order online or eBay. I'm curious how much this one weighs, so let's give it a weigh. So I got my weigh scale in here. It's on 0. And I'm gonna weigh this and see how much it weighs. 9 ounces for this one. And let's compare this one, see how much this one weighs. And this one's 3 ounces, 3.6 ounces. This one's also heavier, and I noticed it has a coat on it, like a smooth coat, versus this is more of a doesn't have a coat on there, like straight metal. And this one's the new one. I plugged them in, and to see how the mortar sound would work when they are on. So let's try with this big one, the professional one first. Start with the one. It's not bad, it's not too loud. Like to see how it sounds. Another thing I want to try is do a quick speed test. If I were to turn both of them on at the same time, I want to see what's the difference between these two. Well, there you go. That was my comparison between these two. I hope you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you. Have a good day.